I'm Cathie Martin. I work at the John Innes Centre and I'm a plant molecular geneticist thingy. I worked on fundamental research looking at transposable elements and colour production, and now I work on nutritional improvement of things that we eat, plant foods that we eat. I think it's important that we understand that our diets are getting worse. And I'm trying to make a contribution by improving the nutritional quality of the foods that people eat the most of, so that we can reach most people. I think it's easy to reach, let's say, the middle classes and tell them that they need to eat better food, but it's very difficult for regular people. So tomato is my object of choice to improve. I think the possibilities have opened up enormously with gene editing. You can basically get mutants in any gene rather than being restricted by what's been characterized before or doing screens. And that then opens up the imagination to what you can do. So I think for biotechnology in the nutritional space, there's huge numbers of things that we can do with gene editing, even very simple gene editing, and that fills me with excitement. And in the longer run, maybe with a little bit of proper biotech as well.